Okay, pre-flight checklist is completely done. Now let's start this thing up. Go through my checklist. Seats locked, belts and harnesses are checked and on, brakes are got good pressure, fuel selector is on both. Avionics master is off, circuit breakers are all in, beacon lights on, and I've got my charts and everything available. Fixture rich, starting the engine, carb heat off, master switch on. Prime, I will give it a little bit of prime. Two shots of primer and let it sit for just a few seconds. Okay, clear prop.